Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm stuffing with Italian sausage 2 eye of round roast beef. After washing and pat drying the 2 chunks of meat, I will remove any excess fat from them. Then, with a very long and sharp knife, I will create a wide and long cavity in the center of each chunk of beef, making sure it's wide and long enough for me to stuff it all the way inside. Then I will make a rub to season the beef by mixing 1 tablespoon of Kocher salt with 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic cloves, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I will rub this mixture on the outside of each chunk of beef and let it rest for about 1 hour or so. In the meantime, I start preparing the stuffing by mixing about 1½ cups of beef or chicken broth with about 6 ounces of stuffing with herbs. To the already moist mixture, I'm adding 1 diced large onion and 1 diced red bell pepper, mixing everything together with about 1/4 cup of cilantro. Then to the mixture, I'm adding 1 pound of Italian sausage. This one is mild, but you can use the hot or the medium kind, however you like it. Make sure everything is mixed well together. Make sure the breadth of the stuffing is really moist. If not, then add a little bit more of liquid. Then I'm stuffing the beef with my hands, which you can use a spoon, but I want to make sure the stuffing is really packed inside and all the way in, all the way to the bottom of the chunk of beef. Then with the kitchen twine, I'm going to tie each chunk of beef just to make sure it doesn't come apart while it's cooking, because it will get really tender. Don't tie it too hard, just enough to hold it together. Then in about 1 cup of vegetable oil, I'm going to brown the beef completely around in each side. At this point, the beef doesn't have to be completely cooked inside. Make sure the oil is really hot. Then I place the beef inside the slow cooker pot with 1/2 cup of liquid water or broth. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 hours. After the beef is done, let it rest 15-20 minutes before slicing it. In the meantime, you can make a gravy with the liquid that is left over in the bottom of the pot. I'm slicing my beef in about 1/2 inch thickness. It really doesn't matter how thick or thin you slice the beef, it's as delicious. This is a wonderful dish to serve with rice, potatoes, or salad. Remember, the ingredients and steps to take to make this wonderful recipe are in the bottom of this video. Don't forget to click like if you really like this recipe, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I hope to see you in my next video. I hope to see you soon. Buen provecho. Hasta luego. Bye bye.